What is this even about? Some old guy my dad's friends with is in the hospital and suddenly I'm supposed to have answers? Yeah, I know who Grant Holloway is. My dad advertises on his show for his accounting firm and goes on there sometimes to talk politics or whatever. I guess they're close or something. I mean, a lot of people don't like Grant. I can't stand him. But just so we're clear, she's not the type to, like, poison someone or whatever. She's just loud on her podcast. Grant's just obnoxious. Says mean stuff about people who can't fight back. He's kind of a jerk. My dad can be a dork, sure. But at least he's not that guy. So yeah, what do you want from me?